WHO has recently released a report on global antimicrobial surveillance system, or known as GLASS. The report highlights the increased frequency and patterns of antimicrobial resistance for major organisms and against major antimicrobials. And this report, although not many countries have enrolled, and the WHO is encouraging countries to establish national antimicrobial surveillance programs in order to generate data or quality data for antimicrobial resistance, which will help countries to identify the patterns and frequencies of resistance spreading or prevailing in those countries, and also to build evidence-based actions against the resistant patterns in those countries. So we will be highlighting the global report, the global antimicrobial surveillance system, and the national actions that a country should take to establish a national antimicrobial surveillance program in terms of preparing the surveillance sites, the laboratory, building the capacity of laboratories for detection and antimicrobial susceptibility of organisms and specimens, and also to validate this data through a national reference lab, quality assurance of laboratories, and also being able to link lab data with epidemiology and clinical data to link the resistant patterns to infections, to be able to generate more evidence-based guidance. Thank you.